Okay, so now you should have memorised your 3 major chord voicings and your 3 minor chord voicings on strings 1, 2 and 3, and memorised where the root notes are as well, so that you can find any major and any minor chord. Let's do a little example in the key of G. Now if I wanted to go from chord 1, which is G, to chord 2, A minor, to chord 6, E minor, to chord, yeah, that sounds nice, chord 4, which is C. So G, A minor, E minor and C. So I could find 3 different places using those chord voicings to play or add to those chords. So again, imagine you've got a rhythm guitar. Playing those 4 chords around in a circle. So over the top of that we could have G, A minor, E minor, C. That would be in one voicing there. Move up to the next voicing, we'd have G, A minor, E minor, C. And the final voicing, G, A minor, E, C. You might want to do a more strummy version. Careful not to hit those open strings. I just hit one there, that's what made me think of it. We're trying to strum 3 strings. We can mute the 6th string with our thumb. We can mute the 4th string with the tip of the 1st finger. It's not always going to be the 1st finger. It could, in that circumstance, it would be the 3rd finger. 1st finger there. And if it was a sort of a D minor-ish kind of shape, it would be the 2nd finger. So there's always one of the 3 fingers there that you could use to mute the 4th string. However, there's not really anything you can use to mute the 5th string. You can occasionally pad it with that part of your right hand, just in case you do hit it, it would quite quickly be muted afterwards. I'll try and do that. But still, best to avoid it altogether. Try really hard not to hit it. You could almost mute it with your thumb, but it's not comfortable and not easy. Okay, so that's your 3 minor chord voicings on strings 1, 2 and 3. Have fun with those, and then we'll get on with the next set of voicings on strings 2, 3 and 4.